This is the Bribe Bottle, a device that we'd consider an everyday outdoor essential. The Bribe Bottle is an all-in-one collapsible water bottle, solar lantern, and emergency power bank. At our core, we're all adventurers, travelers, and explorers. Like most of you, we are always looking for more ways to save space, reduce weight, and lower our carbon footprint. That's why we developed the Bribe Bottle. In its collapsed form, the Bribe Bottle is only 2.7 inches tall and 3.6 inches wide, and it takes up barely any space in a backpack, rucksack, or jacket pocket. In its expanded form, the Bribe Bottle pulls out to over twice its collapsed size and has a capacity of 700 milliliters. Made of food-grade silicone, the Bribe Bottle has a wide mouth for easy filling, cleaning, and is dishwasher safe. At night, the Bribe Bottle doubles as a lantern. It's super easy to use. Just push the button on the top of the bottle and the Bribe Bottle switches between its multiple modes. In its low mode, the Bribe Bottle provides 50 lumens of calm, atmospheric light and lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge. In its high mode, the Bribe Bottle increases its brightness to 100 lumens, more than enough to light up your next campsite. On the reverse side of the bottle, you will find a 5-volt USB out, which connects with the Bribe Bottle's internal battery and has enough juice to charge your phone and other small electronic devices. In order to charge the Bribe Bottle, it couldn't be easier. Just leave it in direct sunlight. The Bribe Bottle has a 4 square inch solar panel on the top, which will recharge your bottle while swimming, hiking, or just enjoying the sun. If you don't want to wait, the included USB cord also doubles as a charging cable for faster, on-the-go charging. With a dry weight of just 245 grams, the Bribe Bottle weighs less than half a traditional solar lantern, portable battery, and water bottle, and takes up far less space, allowing you to carry less and to do more. After thousands of emails with our manufacturer and hundreds of days prototyping and refining, we are now finally ready to begin production of the Bribe Bottle with the aim of delivering Bribe Bottles as early as November 2019. All we need is your support. So save space, save weight, and go further with the Clouds Rest Bribe Bottle. Don't go on your next adventure without it.
Take your outdoor adventures to the next level with our Survivor Filter Pro LE. Our sturdy design is very durable and easy to use for anyone who loves the great outdoors, traveling, or emergency preparedness. Upgrades we've made for the Survivor Filter Pro LE include a 100,000-liter Ultra Filter pre-filter, larger hoses, a convenient new hose clip, and a zippered carrying case. Our system has 3 levels of filtration, which include the 0.1 micron Ultra Filter pre-filter. It blocks out large debris and acts like a barrier to help remove harmful bacteria and protozoa that are larger than 0.1 microns. The Ultra Filter pre-filter can be easily cleaned and backwashed after every trip, up to 100,000 liters. By utilizing our cleanable pre-filter system, the life of the internal filters are greatly extended. Next is the carbon filter. This level of protection is designed to improve taste and help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. Finally, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter, which is designed to help remove the remaining contaminants that make it through the first 2 levels. Once the water has passed through the 3-stage system, independent tests have shown a filtration of 99.9% of virus, bacteria, and staph, and a significant reduction of heavy metals, surpassing EPA standards for portable water filters. Take on the outdoors with Survivor Filter.
Hello, we are Rhino Wolf, and we want to start this Kickstarter campaign with an apology. Last year we made our campaign for Rhino Wolf, a tent, sleeping bag, and mattress all in one. We said it is the best way to sleep outdoors. We were wrong to say that. There is a better way to sleep outdoors. It's called Rhino Wolf 2 and we just made it. Booyah! Get this. This is a tent. This is Rhino Wolf 2. Rhino Wolf 2 can do this. Can a tent do that? Of course not. Oh, and does a tent come with a built-in sleeping bag and mattress? Oh, it doesn't. You know what Rhino Wolf has to say about that? Haha, you a loser tent, sorry, not sorry. Just like our first Rhino Wolf, Rhino Wolf 2 is a tent, sleeping bag, and mattress all in one. It is made from the best everything. Great materials, precise seams, all around terrific. You don't have to take our word for it. With an average 4-star rating, you can ask almost any of the thousands of people who got the first Rhino Wolf. But we weren't happy with 4. We wanted more. 5, 7. How do you get a 7 out of 5? You listen to customer feedback. First, our customers wanted more integration. Just sleeping bag and mattress and tent all in one wasn't enough for those greedy, lovable customers. So he also integrated the pegs. Rhino Wolf 2 still has just one pole. But now that pole is freaking integrated. And so are the pegs. Now, it only takes a minute to set up. The perfect human shape and strong arch are still here, as are the weather and bug proofing. And we added more ventilation windows, so it's also airier. Yes, we made the incrediblier Rhino Wolf. With the pegs and everything, Rhino Wolf is still lighter than carrying a sleeping bag, a tent, and a mattress. And when you carry it, you don't look like a snail. Look at that snail man. Snail man! Look at this Rhino Wolf. Now look at this one. Boom, they're attached. How did we do that? By the magic of being awesome. And these loops and zipper that attach the 2 Rhino Wolves. Attach 10, and you get a pack of Rhino Wolves. Get it? A Rhino Wolf pack? Yeah, this joke didn't work in the previous campaign either. The Rhino Wolf 2 mattress is inflatable. And with a sleeping bag acting as a blanket, sleeping in it feels more like a bed and not a cocoon. You're not a caterpillar waiting to become a butterfly. You're a human waiting for his Netflix show to load in nature? Want to watch with a friend? Attach the Rhino Wolves, attach the blankets, and you have a double bed. Had enough? Close your own Rhino Wolf, and no one needs to know about your guilty pleasure show. Florida cops. The final thing our customers asked for is to make it more affordable. Rhino Wolf 1 only cost $329. So we thought, what can be more affordable than $329? And it hit us. $199. More incredible and costs less? This new Rhino Wolf should be named differently. More awesome. Like a Hippolyon. No, that's not better. We'll stick with Rhino Wolf 2. See, we have a vision. No more carrying extra sleeping equipment. Just Rhino Wolves everywhere. Because a tent is okay, but Rhino Wolf is incredible. Get one and be happy. Rhino Wolf. What does a Rhino Wolf do?
Fire. The original TV, the conversation starter, warmth on frigid nights, and where the tastiest meals are cooked. The place where we get together to bring out our inner kid, where we laugh and sing, and where deep bonds are forged. Yet fire can leave behind a substantial footprint that's hard to remove. With this in mind, Wolf and Grizzly's Fire Safe was born. Fire Safe is a portable fire pit that allows you to start and maintain a fire anywhere adventure takes you. This grill companion elevates your fuel source, be it wood or charcoal, while leaving only good memories behind. Fire Safe is lightweight, portable, and takes only seconds to set up. It's slim enough to fit into an envelope and packs away neatly into the included carrying case. It's been thoughtfully engineered entirely from 304 stainless steel for endurance and corrosion resistance. FireSafe efficiently directs airflow straight to your desired fuel source while acting as a shield against stronger wind. A heat source and a fuel container, the FireSafe is perfect for a spontaneous day trip, carefully planned expeditions, or to simply relax in your own backyard. And best of all, FireSafe is designed as a perfect companion to the compact M1 grill. Speaking of the M1 grill, your feedback blew us away. The product was met with rave reviews, and since then it's been used in over 30 countries around the world and sold through respected retailers internationally. FireSafe is now ready for production, and we decided to go back to where it all started, to you. Be the first to get FireSafe to your doorstep to create lasting memories in your own backyard, wherever that might be.